Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Amazon Fire Stick 4K. I picked this up a while back and I finally got a chance to use it, so I want to go ahead and review it for you guys, a quick brief review and an unboxing, what you get in this packet and if it's the right product for you. For me, I used to have an Xbox One S that pretty much was only used for streaming Netflix and Amazon Prime TV and Disney Plus. So basically, I didn't play video games, it took up a lot of space, so I decided to give it a try and replace it with the Fire Stick. And so here's my review and a quick unboxing. So first things first, it's Amazon, so it's orange. So when you open the box up, it's really cool design they have here. It's this black kind of black packaging that they have here, but inside of it, when you open it, it has all of the setup. So I tried to repackage this as best as I can. Just know that when you buy it, it looks a lot better. I try to put everything back together like it was before, but obviously it's almost impossible. So there's a remote. Here is the Amazon Fire Stick itself, the instructions and power cable. So let's go ahead and take a look into this and how to actually get it set up. This is kind of the packaging when you open it. So here is your Fire Stick. Super awesome. It's sleek. Easy to connect. This just goes into your HDMI port on your TV. Here is your remote, which again also has Amazon Alexa built in, so you can actually voice control a lot. So let's say if you want to lower the volume, you can just say, hey Alexa, lower the volume, by clicking this little microphone button right here. It listens to you. You'll have two batteries in here, which I currently have inside of the controller. And this just slides right back on. Now it says that the Amazon Fire Stick does perform a lot better, especially with 4K, if you actually do plug it in with the USB. So you do get this wall adapter here, and you do get a USB cable here. So this will go into your HDMI cable on your TV, and then you have a little power slot right here, which I'm not sure if the camera will catch it. There's a power slot right there, a micro USB, so you connect this micro USB into here. The other end of the USB will connect into your wall port, and then this obviously goes into a wall, and it feeds your Fire Stick additional power so it can perform, let's say if you're doing 4K streaming or things like that, that way it won't lag. Here is an HDMI extension, which I think comes out this way. So I needed to use this to connect it to my TV, and the reason why is because even though this is a very sleek profile, it is a little meaty. It's kind of a rectangle, right? It is a rectangle. So on my TV, when this HDMI plugs into my TV, it actually hits a little bit of the TV portion right here. So for me to fit this correctly into my HDMI, I put this HDMI cable, this extension, into my TV, and then you plug the Fire Stick into here, and you have an extension. That way, you can actually have the Fire Stick hanging down, and it'll be away from the TV. If it connects to your TV without the extension, then awesome. But for instance, for me, I needed to use this extension. Here are the instructions in case you need to review them really quick. Very, very simple. All you really do is when you connect this Fire Stick into your TV, you come and click the power button here, and it'll sync this remote with your Fire Stick. And then on the screen on your TV, we'll just have quick setup instructions connecting it to Wi-Fi. And of course, you do need an Amazon account to use the Fire Stick. So if you don't already have an Amazon account, you're gonna want to make one. And it'll connect to your Amazon Prime account, and you'll have Prime Video and all that good stuff right off the bat. So to wrap things up with the Fire Stick, for me, I think it's absolutely awesome. It really does give you all the abilities of streaming. Essentially, if you don't have a smart TV, you can convert it into a smart TV using this, which is really nice. And then you have all the other features of Amazon, like Amazon Alexa, all that good stuff. You will have access to Netflix, CNBC, HBO. If you have, if you want ESPN and Showtime and HBO, you simply just log in with your credentials. Like, let's say if you have Comcast, cable, then you just log in through Comcast information. You should have access to all that good stuff and streaming other TV channels like Fox Sports and things like that. We mainly use it for Netflix, Disney Plus, and just the basic stuff, Amazon Video. So for me, this worked out, replacing the Xbox with this. Super easy, super convenient, way less space, and it's nice to just be able to use this remote because it actually syncs with your TV, so that way when you raise the volume or lower the volume, it'll directly correlate with the TV, and if you click the power button, just simply turns the TV off completely, so you can kind of just consolidate into this one remote. So it's really helpful. I do recommend it. I think for the price, it's really awesome. So yeah, I would stand behind this product. So far, it's been a really great experience for us. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. You know, you can't go wrong with the 4K. Just make sure you plug it in with the power cable so it doesn't have any issues with the streaming. With that being said, please do like the video, and if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. I will be responding to any comments you have, especially regarding this, and just ask me any questions about how my experiences is, or if you have something that I didn't cover in the video, just let me know below. And of course, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Liking the video and subscribing helps me tremendously. So until then, I hope to see you guys next time. I'll see you guys in the next video.